Today, we're going to be doing the Only Up challenge in Office. But first, little intro. Okay, let's go.
Buddy.
Okay, follow me. I have the best way to go there.
One would assume it would be this way, right?
Nope. You gotta go on that hot air balloon. Well, not hot air balloon.
Blimp.
Blimp.
No! It's slippery.
No! It's fine, just go up. Use your gorilla tech skills.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm doing, brother. Yo, why are we meant to go on the blimp? What would that help?
We aren't. I was just joking.
Screw you.
Over here, look.
The movement's so much different. Dang it. This dude. This goofy goober.
You gotta jump from up. Where'd you go?
I'm on top, bro.
Oh. Oh, wait for me on a second.
I don't think I will wait for him. This is speedrun, bull.
Wait for me at the second one. Wait for me on the third level.
Yes, sir. You're actually ahead of me now. You got ahead of me. I just hit my freaking dresser, bro.
Oh.
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 Oh. The pain. Oh, frick. Hold on, give me 1 second.
Oh, wait for you.
Oh, jeez.
The hardest part is the clouds. But once you get to like the third... Once you get to this cloud right here, you can jump up.
Brother, I have done this already. You do not have to tell me what I'm supposed to do. Unless it involves
I.
skipping anything.
Oh, I have a lot of skipping ways. Look, this, like this. On, way.
This is all essentially how I did it the first time.
You skipped most of it?
Yeah.
Okay, this one, there's a secret fan.
The rubber ducky. Oh.
top.
Alright. I hate this level with a passion. Oh my gosh. No!
I almost missed it. I fell all the way down, but I'm up.
I fell.
I'll wait for you on the next level.
Okay. I'm just gonna speedrun this real quick.
Tell me when you get.
Alright.
I'm starting to climb up.
I hated that level so much.
I'm on top of the spinning UFO right now.
No clue what he just. Wait, hold on. I can do that. What?
Just go inside the spinning UFO. I fell.
I'll go this way. What? I assume I go this way, considering he's going up.
I don't know why, but I can't make the shark jump. It's annoying.
I made the shark jump.
Come on, show me where you pushed off.
I just pushed off the one closest to it.
So did I.
Just launch, bro.
Wait for me at the level.
It might be a little late for that.
Just wait for me at the top.
Yes, sir.
I'll be up there in really a second. I can literally skip this whole level.
W. I'll wait in the beginning of the next level. which would also be the last level.
Why are you on the last level?
I'm on the laser one. There you are. Let's go.
Right. Where'd you go?
I think I missed the door.
Where are you at? Where are you at?
There you are.
Right here.
There it is.
You just gotta get up top. Like this.
Yep, there's a ledge right here.
Here comes this part. Best part.
I hate this part so much. Like, genuinely.
Yep.
Oh, dang it, I just ran right into them.
I'm up.
Same. I beat it in 2 minutes last time, bro. I'm washed.
Were you using broccoli?
I was not using broccoli then. I'm 10 minutes and 9 seconds. I am the champion. Okay, guys, whenever you finish that level, if you go to hats, if you finish like the only up, if you go to hats, you can find this thing. And here's what it looks like on mine. I think it would look good on some people's. I don't know about mine though. Me personally, I like the halo. Yeah. There you are. Let's make the outro now.
This is how I feel right now. I got up to the top several times. I hit the ledge.